How to cancel your DramaBox subscription. So you might have subscribed to DramaBox and you no longer use DramaBox and you want to cancel your subscription. Alright guys, this is how you do it. Go to your profile from the bottom right corner, tap your profile, and here all you have to do is go to your settings, and here as you can see you will find this membership management. Tap here and now you can cancel your subscription from this page. As you can see, I have not subscribed to DramaBox. That's the reason it says you are currently not a member. But for you if you have subscribed to DramaBox, you will find a cancel option. So you just have to select the cancel option, and then your DramaBox membership will be cancelled forever. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.